The ladies already know.
Clean.
Thank you. Say what the ladies already know. Hey man, does that sound always occur when you brush your hair?
Yeah, that's everybody though, right?
No, let me try.
Yeah, this how you do it, right?
Dirty. Dirty.
Must be a defect with this. Must be. Hey, John Tavius, come over here and brush your hair so we can see what sound it makes. Sure thing.
Fresh.
No new information. You already know.
Here, give it back.
Yeah. I know.
Clean.
Don't need to tell me twice.
Man, let me try again.
Oh yeah, man. I knew it was
Still dirty. Man, go take a shower or something. You stink and you ain't clean. It's like you got a knob on your back and it's stuck on stank.
Y'all play too much.